I started with 3 unfinished square pieces of wood measuring 8 by 8. And I took some sapphire from Wise Owl Paint and I covered each square. I gave them 2 coats, and paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Once those were dry, I took a 220 grit sandpaper and just gave them a nice sanding. This will help smooth out the paint. Now I'd found these rubbing plates from Dollar Tree. They came 3 in a pack. And what I did is I took a foam dabber and some Antique Villa paint, and I just dabbed on top of the raised part of the rubbing plate. And I flipped it over and pressed down, and it acted like a stamp. And now I have my first image, which was a starfish. And the pack came with 2 other shells. And I repeated this step on each rubbing plate. Now you want to make sure you don't put too much paint or it will smudge. And I'm really happy with how these are turning out. I feel like there are many different things you could do with them. And they had other images like flowers as well. Now once those were fully dry, I took the sandpaper again and just went over it lightly. Now you can distress these as much as you'd like, and then I got rid of the dust from sanding, and I took some furniture salve in my round palm brush and just applied the salve on top of each square piece. And then I took a cotton cloth and just rubbed it in. I then took my hot glue gun and some thick jute, and I went around each side of the square and attached the jute. And I gave each square this border. I thought this was a nice way to finish it off. And then at some point I painted the back of each with the sapphire, and using some E6000 I attached a picture hanger. Now this wood is light enough to do that. And then you can display these on your wall however you'd like. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget you can check out some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel or under the tutorials section on our webpage. Have a great day.